A and B are natural numbers given to us. So we need to understand this situation. Natural numbers is what? Positive integers that you are talking about, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity as integer values, right? Now, a square plus ab plus a is equals to 14. I can see a is a part of every term, so I'm taking a common. So what am I getting? A plus b plus 1, that should be equals to 14. Remember, a and b are natural numbers, so integers is what we are talking about. So one thing that I can understand is this value of a and this value of bracket must be integers, and if they have to be integers, then both these values a and a plus b plus 1 must be a factor of 14. That's one thing that I can understand. Look at the second equation over here. This equation has also got b common to every term. So if you take b common, it will become b plus a plus 1. That becomes equals to 28. Clear? And now then 2a plus b is equals to what? You've been asked 2a plus b is equals to what? Now, once again, the same thing applies for your second equation as well, that if a and b are natural numbers, then you need to understand that both these values must be integers and they must be factors of 28. Clear? Now, we also understand that a plus b plus 1 is a value which is common in both of these equations. Correct? So, a plus b plus 1 is a common factor between 14 and 28. What are the factors of 14? Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. What are the factors of 28? The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. These are the factors. Now understand a and b are natural numbers. So of course, the bare minimum values of a and b has to be 1 and 1, right? So this bracket has to be 3, at least b plus 1, b plus a plus 1. So my common value of a plus b plus 1 must be greater than 3. So now if you look at the common factors, 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, and 7 and 14 are the common factors once again. So 1 and 2 cannot be the values of a plus b plus 1. That's for sure. So either a plus b plus 1 should be equals to 14 or a plus b plus 1 should be equals to 7. Let me take a plus b plus 1 as 14. If you take a plus b plus 1 as 14, which is a common factor, then and you put it back into this, your value of a will turn out to be equals to 1. Correct? Because a into 14 should be equals to 14. So a will become equals to 1. If a becomes equals to 1 and you put it in this, you will realize that the value of b will become equals to 12. Let's put these values over here. Can b be 12? No, b cannot be 12 because b has to be a factor of 28. So then this set of values are incorrect. That means our presumption of a plus b plus 1 equals to 14 is incorrect. So 14 is also not that factor. We are now left with a plus b plus 1 to be equals to 7. If a plus b plus 1 becomes equals to 7, I put it back into the first equation. I realize that my value of a must be 2. If my value of a turns out to be equals to 2, then I put it back into my equation a plus b plus 1 equals to 7. Then in that case, b will turn out to be equals to what? 4. Now, take these values of a and b and put it back into this equation and see if it is working or not. B is what? 4. And a plus b plus 1 is 7. 7 into 4, is it becoming equals to 28? Yes. So now I have my values of a and b. A is 2 and b is equals to 4. There is no other value possible. What have they asked me? 2a plus b. So 2 times of 2 plus b is what? 4. So that is what they are asking us to calculate. That value turns out to be equals to 8. Option A is the correct answer.